What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded, but I hope everyone's been doing well and I hope everyone's been safe under the circumstances. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. It feels weird talking to a camera again after so long. But so in today's video, I'm just gonna jump straight into it. In today's video, we are going to be installing something that I think all polos need. It's just a comfort feature. That yeah, I know it came as an optional extra on I think Polo TSIs, but it didn't come on the Vivo. I'm not sure if it did. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. But yeah, so what I'm talking about is an armrest. I'll be installing an armrest today, and yeah, there's not much else I can say about it. Self-explanatory. So the armrest came from, I bought it from Take-A-Lot for 400 bucks I think. So yeah, there's 400 plus 80 rand for shipment. So yeah, so what came in the box? Let's go into that. So first we have this bracket that goes over your cup holders. I'll be showing you guys exactly how to install it. So this goes over your cup holders, and then you just screw it in on the side. That's the first part, and then it comes with this and your screws. So this goes, and here's the center console armrest thing. So this goes on the bottom like that, and then you screw. So it goes like that, and then you screw it in here, 4 screws in here, and then this screws onto this like so. That's basically it. Super easy. So yeah, so that's that. So this comes with the cup holder as well as a ashtray that you can take out empty. Yeah, and overall I'd give this, the quality of this, I would give a 6 out of 10. It does feel like, how can I say, cheap plastic, because it is cheap plastic. What do you expect for 400 bucks? I think if you ordered one from VW, I think it would cost like 1,500 to 2,000, somewhere there. I saw something about the OEM one on Facebook. So yeah, slides forward, slides back, opens up, extra storage space in there. That's basically it. So let's get into the install. So first things first, what I would recommend you guys doing is just fitting this bracket on here and then making marks in there and in there for where you're going to make your holes, because you're going to need to make at least, I'd say at least 4 holes if you want it to be nice and solid. So I've already made 2 over here, and I'm going to be adding another one here and another one back here, just for that extra stability. Let's get into it. Here we're going to be using the screws they gave us. And then the final step would be screwing the armrest into this what do you want to call it, a bracket. Call it a bracket. Yeah, so that goes like that, and then again using the screws they gave us, let's go for gold. We have a center console, center armrest thing, along with its very own, what do we call this, ashtray. There we have it, guys. I just need to add 2 more screws here, one here and one on this side, and then I think it will be solid enough, because at the moment it's doing this. And just like that, guys, we have a fully functioning armrest. You can go there, put your wallet in there, close it, forward, and it doesn't get in the way of the handbrake, so all good. Oh yeah, and if you don't want to use it, you can just lift it up completely and it's out of your way. But this is where it's going to be most of the time. Slide it forward, as I've said, open it up. There's my wallet, here's the cup holder. The cup holder is big enough to fit the D28 bottle in, so I'm sure it'll fit the bottle of cool drink or something in there. While we have the D28 here, we might as well give this a quick little wipe down, because it is looking asphalt, as you guys can see. So yeah, let's sort it out quickly. Just spread some D28 on here. So nice wipe. Perfect. Just to the bottom as well. There we go. Done deal. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And it fits in quite nicely. Please excuse the dirty car. Fits in quite nicely with this black in the middle. I know this isn't black. While we're talking about the seats, watch the space, that's all I'm saying. It's gonna take quite some time, but yeah, I have something planned for the seats. So sorry for the wind, let me just down, get a bit lower. I hope this is better. But yeah, while I have you guys here, I might as well take you through some changes that I've done that I haven't vlogged. It's not much, but yeah. So first things first, I fitted the new spec mirrors, color-coded new spec mirrors on the car. I don't know if you guys remember, they used to be completely black, and they used to be a different shape, but yeah, I fitted those and they look good. The car is extremely dirty, I haven't cleaned it in a while, it's filthy. And on the back I added, I want to say 15mm, I think it's a 15mm spacer. I can't remember now exactly, but yeah, 15mm of the spacers on the back. So yeah, that's basically it. I just like how it looks from the rear. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the space has made a huge difference, and that's basically it. So I just want to thank you guys for watching the video, for liking and subscribing, and yeah, stay tuned for more content. I'm gonna start vlogging more. So park-offs have started in the Western Cape, and I'll be attending some of those, so I will be vlogging at the park-offs, so stay tuned for those. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support, and if you guys have any questions, any comments, you know where to put them down in the comment section below. Yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.